Okay, I think this is live. I hope you can hear me okay. I'm Paulo. I'm part of Proposals on App, and we're going to try to do something today where we're going to try to come up with information architecture for what the DAO proposal is. And this is my first live stream. So let's see how it goes. You also have pull back on music. Maybe you can hear me better now, like this. Yeah, let's get into it. So we proposed this thing in the GovHack in Brussels, and this is a proposal for us at Proposals.app, me and Andre, to do arbitrum.proposals.app kind of thing, where we would show all Arbitrum proposals and, most importantly, the life cycle view of a proposal from beginning. From a proposal goes first to the Arbitrum forum, which is this forum actually, until it goes to on-chain vote and execution. So yeah, that's the kind of the goal of this project, and today I'm gonna try to figure out what is the information architecture for a proposal, a typical DAO proposal. That includes all of this: the forum posts, the comments on the forums, the temperature check off-chain proposal and snapshots, and the on-chain proposal as well. To do that, we can actually start from the forums. So there is a post somewhere. On this forum about how to do a proposal in Arbitrum, and someone just changed the forum a little bit recently, so I'm not really sure where to find this again. But on the GovHack thing, there's a link to it. Okay. Listed proposal structure. Oh, this is on the documentation of that. Okay. So according to the documentation of Arbitrum, the structure of a proposal is this one. It has this sections, and then it has a few more things here, and this also details the flow on how to submit a proposal. So you do the post on the forum, you discuss it with people there, then you do a temperature check with a snapshot off-chain proposal, and then you do the on-chain proposal using Tally. And so this is the structure of a proposal. Let's go to the snapshot. Okay, so we have here the Arbitrum snapshot and the Arbitrum tally. So let's see, we have all on-chain proposals here from the beginning, even stuff that maybe shouldn't be here. Maybe this was probably draft proposals at the beginning. So we have all these ones. 32 passed, 9 failed. 41 in total. I'm not sure if it's counting this one, but it should. With the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's counting those 9. Okay. So let's get proposal example. This is the example that I used in the proposal that we did in Govec as well. And these are the snapshot ones. There's a few of them here as well. There's many more proposals on snapshot for Arbitrum than in tally, which is normal because proposals get not all proposals need to go to on-chain vote. There's a bunch of LT proposals all in a row. When this happened, it was like 96 proposals in the same day. Yeah, so we have all that. Let's use the example of the catalyst proposal. So this one. And it's like here, fortunately. Press start for game over, I guess. Okay. And it has this forum post. So it goes from this forum post to the snapshot votes. This one, snapshot vote. So forum post, snapshot vote, and tally. So yeah, this is the flow of the proposal, and we're going to map this proposal specifically in all its parts, and try to come up with a main information architecture for the proposal. So I am going to shut the hell up because I feel a bit stupid talking into the void by myself in the room. And I'm gonna put up the sound and just vibe with it. There are no abstained votes showing up here, and there's an amount for abstained votes. There should be some abstained votes in here. Interesting. There's also no abstained votes here, so they probably are capping this representation here. Bubble, timeline, and list, all three representations. They're capping it to only votes above a certain voting power, probably. It's a bit weird because this is hiding information, right? So if I wanted to see who were the people that actually abstained, I can't. Okay, 50. And even the against. Sorry. No. Okay. Maybe we'll show the full list. Okay. Maybe you can hear me better now. Okay, I can see 4 against, sure. 4 against. So this list is actually the full list, not just the abstain list. Is a full list of votes. Can I see abstain? This is ordered by voting power. Yes, okay. So we'll go to the abstain. Oh, okay. There's one abstain vote here. It's interesting that they use this icon for abstain, the information icon. So they use the X for against, the check inside the circle for 4, and the I for abstain. I'm not sure if the icon of the I is the correct one for abstain, but abstain is a very hard concept to represent in an icon as well. So okay, so now we have some abstain people here. Abstain. Okay, so how do I get back to the thing? So this representation here is just showing the biggest voters, and then when you click view all, then it goes to that second page that shows a big list of all the votes. Which is this page, which is an interesting process. So it has a proposal ID and then the votes appendix. Okay. Okay, so this is a different page. They're just freaking. And then just freaking. Yes, voter. Votes. Arcade. Voting power. Percentage. And the vote. Motion. For games. And the voter has the profile picture, Twitter account, connected icon, and the name. And the whole address. Okay, yeah, so this is the thing. This is the whole list. The whole list. Okay, so this page is simple. This is the votes page that shows all the detail of all the votes that were casted. Can I? One tell this page takes a little bit to load. Okay. In this one, they show the address in the tooltip, although I don't have the copy icon. And here they also show the address, but I can get to it. In here, oh, I go to the delegate page. Okay. 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 So bubble timeline list of that type of thing. Okay, so for the bubble we have 4 total percentage. We have against the percentage. We have the abstain percentage. And then we have votes, actually. Bubble. Column. Vote color plus. Okay. links to the development page. Just gonna put this. Damn. This is taking a while to look. Okay, anything else on this one that I should map? I don't think so. Okay. The proposals they voted on. Oh, it shows if they were proposals for a specific one. That's interesting. It doesn't show what is the DAO. Which one goes? Yes, this is. I'm not sure if these are all armed from or not. I think they are. Arbitrary. It's hard to figure out in here what DAO this proposal is, because especially Italy has a bunch of DAOs. Not so clear. It's not clear to see. It's not so clear to see which DAO is it. Unless you look at the breadcrumb here. That's it. Okay. But before the we're going there. So the bubble, click on the bubble, you got the thing. The voting timeline is just a short, I think. Cumulative short or against thing and for I think this chart is actually really interesting because it's the one that shows the quorum limits, right? So up until here, people were voting, but you know, the proposal wasn't. Oh wait, this is. Oh, this is a misleading representation, isn't it? Because in here, at this point, the quorum increased with these ones. Oh, this is this is a misleading representation. So I bet the quorum was reached here, actually, or here, even at this point in time. But it doesn't look like it. It looks like it was only reached here at this point in time, because it's only taking into account the for votes, not the against, and probably not the abstain votes as well. So this is interesting in the sense that this representation with the line here is kind of misleading if it's not cumulative, right? So when, but then the amounts don't add up. Ooh, is a bit weird. Not really sure what should be the representation, to be fair here. But this one is not totally right, because you know it makes you believe that the quorum was reached at this point, but actually if you add all this voting power, it was reached probably even here, because this and this are enough to get from here to the quorum threshold. So we have here I'm not really sure what are those names that it's showing up there. The list is for okay, this is interesting. Yeah, if it is a cumulative shard, then these amounts don't make sense because you cannot say that. You cannot look here and say, oh, the for option as blah 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 voting power. You can look here and say the against as blah blah blah, but the for option would be here, and it would be saying 130. It actually only has 100. So a cumulative shard is also maybe not the thing that solves it if this axis has values. If this axis doesn't have values, actually, you could make a cumulative shard that just says at each point for is blah blah percent, against is blah blah percent, and abstain is blah blah percent. And then we would have a fair representation of when quorums was reached. Okay, so this is an interesting thing. But in terms of mapping what it's here, yeah. In terms of mapping what is here, I think you can do that. Shows quorum line. Okay. I think that's about it on the. Oh, okay. So the list shows the profile picture, the name, and the voting code. Well, actually, not just that. The list shows for, against, and abstain list. Again, it's weird to me that no votes yet. Votes will appear here on the abstain and they actually exist. Okay. So, but each list has for so three lists all both options. And then each list has the total number of addresses that shows voted this option was total voting power. And then the most important part, the view all, which links to this page. Okay, so that's that. That's that. Okay, it doesn't have anything else other than this. Actions, raw. What is raw? Summary. Raw summary. Is the tab between the summary view and the raw transaction payload? Proposal payload, actually. But okay, this is the actions panel. So it has type, address, details. Okay. And it could be transfer. And 55 million per and the USD amount. Now, is this USD amount today or at the time of the transfer? Let's see. So this goes to the delegate page as well. Which does make, I mean, I don't know. Not sure, it makes a lot of sense, but but this one has no delegations, right? So, but to clarify what dollar amount that is. One six one six six 162. It might be the price today, which is not sure how I feel about it. Right? Because the action was transferred and it was 255 million R. And it's showing the USD amount, but the USD amount is today's USD amount, not when it was done, which was, well, actually, I won't. Actually, let me figure this out, right? So it transferred from here to here. See, yeah, displaying current value. We can show value on day of token transfer. Uh-huh, exactly. So Etherscan does this properly. It's actually kind of a cute interaction. I didn't knew Etherscan did this. So this is interesting because it looks weird to have 225 million and then 200 million and then so many numbers thrown around, and it's like, okay, in dollars, how much should be transferred, and was it transferred that much amount, right? And if at the time maybe it was, if at the time maybe it wasn't. So yeah, that's the thing. So I guess 200 and then plus 25. But this is, by the way, this is written in a weird way because it's 200 million ARM and then 25 million in dollars, right? But all of it was transferred as 255 million ARM. And the proposal payload, yes, at 255 million ARM. Yeah. Oh, did the dollar price disappear now? What the hell? Ah, okay. It takes a little bit to load because it's computing it right now, I would assume. So if I do this, okay. Okay. So it's showing the price right now, which is not totally fair in my mind. It's also not showing the date where this happened. You can look here. It may be inferred it was on July 10, but was it? This, am I seeing the correct transaction? Let me see. Just to make sure that I don't confuse stuff. So this was on June 10th, so yeah, exactly 30 days ago. And it transferred 225 million from the Air Foundation. I would assume that's this address. Oh, damn. Yeah, so it is the same transaction, same payload. But okay. Actions, raw. Actions, summary. And actions, raw. Okay. And then proposal body, I guess. Support images, okay. Proposal body with headings, links, plus images. And basic formatting. Oh, this proposal description. And this is comments. I almost didn't saw this part here. Leaves me. Okay, so comments. Okay. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 comments. Okay. Interesting that Lito decided to comment directly on the Aave, on the Dali interface, and most of the people just put the link to the discourse forum, which then Tally embeds, but only the summary. So if you want to read more, you have to look at the forum. Interesting. Interesting. So the comments have a list of comments. And they have and each comment has profile picture, name, trimmed address, alt address. By the way, trimmed in a weird way. Actually, user profile picture name. And this links to eBaby. Oh, we go look at page. And then it also has date of vote option, or against, abstain, and the actual reason. The actual reason. And then inside the reason, they also have the first lines of this course when the reason is of this course. Now, I'll be curious to know if they are only getting from form.arbitrum.foundation and they're actually controlling that through the domain, or if I can put any link here and it would try to go there, see that it's a discourse, and then pull it off. By the way, this is weird, right? It's what's up with this comment that starts like this? Oh, it starts with a quote. And so it's the embed of the image. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is kind of a bug, right? So it's pulling the markdown of the embed of the image of the GFX Labs logo from here, and then GFX Labs, and then it's interesting because this is interesting. So a reason that starts with a quote from another post would embed it with weirdly in this case, right? And it's not even showing that. So the rendering of this is a bit hard. Because the idea of having this embedding here was for you to read the actual reason that Riff Green gave, but this is the quote, and then there's reason is after this, right? So, like for example here, after much internal deliberation, he's trying to say blah 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 blah. So now you can see again something like, and they also are not showing the formatting the markdown stuff. Yeah, because this is bold and italic, so yeah, it's the markdown underscoring blah blah. So okay. What's the reason for slide? And I think that's and a read more link. That's links to the discourse forum, right? Actually, this is actually kind of important. It does. It's actually kind of important that it does do that. And this read more link. This read more link. Goes to the actual discourse forum. Okay. So I think I mapped everything in the main body of the page. Boom, 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 boom. Did I go author? Yeah, I need to do this better. It's actually the current state first. Then title. Then last stage from state. And then the government look at this. Actually, this is interesting in the sense that I'm not really sure where this goes. I mean, this goes to the transaction, but it doesn't go to the on-chain proposal. From here. But my point, and what I was trying to get at, is this one here. Arbitrum management. So now, final votes, impact overview, status download. So, oh, I'm missing something here. So the author as profile picture was name, and that links. That links. Okay, so final votes. This is the majority support thing. Okay. Actually, for this one, let's do the ENS proposal that just ended. Yes. Yes, this one. It has more abstain votes than 4. And this looks interesting, right? So, oh, we don't have the results. Okay. We don't have the bubble of the. Why don't we have the bubble? The voting period is ended. Why don't we have the bubble? Oh, it's here. What? Wait. The results are below? If the state is not executed? What? Getting confused by this. So right now this is on pending execution state, which even I can come here and execute. Okay, cool, but the results are not here. Oh, this proposal is scary looking. Scary looking, boy. Type custom. Right. Okay. Let me see. This layout also looks different. Like, this is the Arbitrum layout, but this is the ENS layout. It's like it says ENS here. It has like treasury and stuff. What is happening? It even has the logo with lettering, the logo without the lettering. Not getting this. So this is the ENS treasury. What is the ENS community? Oh, dashboard of delegates. Cool. What is the ENS? Oh, okay. They show stuff about ENS, rising delegates, and so on and so forth. Cool. And on the proposals, so this one is executed. The details, the results, what the hell? The results are here in the bottom and not the top, like these ones. Okay, pending execution. Yeah, results first, and then the proposal with comments. Oh wow, this is confusing. I had no idea about this. Okay. So the ENS is different. The ENS instance on Tally is different. That is interesting. It links to the governors, etc. Cool. So this might be a new design or an old design, and they're switching for some communities and some others they don't, which makes sense, maybe. So if I hide non-assets, ignore assets without logo, I get exactly the same plus the 3 ones. So this toggle is actually reversed. When this is on, this one should not be here. Display and non-asset. Bro, what the hell? You're changing the toggle label. Include assets without logo. It's on. I'd include. Right, I don't understand this. What the fuck? This is confusing as hell. Display non-assets. Ignore assets without logo. How can you have like toggle components just only have one label, which is show unknown assets. Like this. It should be like this. Display unknown assets. It's off, it's not showing. And I turn it on, and it should say display unknown assets. Still. That's it. And this tooltip is wrong. In here, you should have include assets without logo on the display unknown assets. Jesus. Okay, it's confusing. But either way, I'm on a tangent and I'm not on the proposal page that I want to map. And so this is the proposal page for a proposal that is pending execution. And the order is the result details, the actions, and then the proposal. And on the execution stage, there's more execute and cancel proposal and learn more about execute. Options here, that's okay. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take a breather for 2 minutes and I'll be back in 2 minutes. What's up, everybody? Where were we? Okay, so Status timeline. Jeez. Oh, I forgot to do this. So I map a little bit of the remaining part of this part. Now I'm missing the status part. Um, yeah. Okay, so status. So left created. Published. Agriculture. Oh, where am I talking? Which I think is this. Flushed out. So okay. Dates that I've created user. Where is it for all of them? But the thing is, okay, let's try to go to one that is open. Yeah, as ones. Okay, there's an article on here. Okay. Interesting. So oh well, this chart isn't. Okay. Then the pending execution, which I think is the next status. And then invoke if you invoke. Okay. What about go? Yes. Okay. This is all the mapping of a on-chain pool as represented by tally. Um, so that's cool. Now we want to do the same thing for snapshot. Our snapshot represents a proposal, and even our an Aragon now represents a proposal. No, so even then, we should try to figure out how it is. Polygon community treasure 3.now.e. Is this a proposal? Yes. Let's just but okay. Running. Ah, interesting. Okay. Publish it. Publish on the block number. Okay. So I'm not really sure why the anyways, yeah. But okay. Does this go anywhere? Uh-oh. One more down. Okay. Like a bug, I'm not really sure what this is. Come on. Crapping out right now. Alright. Okay. Let's see if they have proposals going. Either one of these. Another wormhole. Okay. Not really working. Aragon. What the hell is going on? Maybe I can hack my wallets? Sure. Okay, so the little menu is there. Okay, can I see this one? Please. The menu is quite okay. Proposals. Do you have proposals? Are you loading? Yes. Okay. 51 proposals. Any proposal? You can. What about? What about this one? Oh my god. Breakdown. Voters. Info. Interesting. Mm. Breakdown voters info is kind of a weird thing. Okay, maybe I'm gonna go to the directory again and try to find another. Mm. Again. Let's go. SUGs, but we are missing something. Yeah, come on. No results. DAOs that I'm a member of. I am a member of these DAOs. Yes. And this one had proposals. Yes. Even at the one. Amazing. But page is not moving. Come on. This app is screwed. This box. Eagle Ops, please. Let's go. Alright, you have $3 million in here. Perfect. Can I see? Okay. Stake. That's withdrawal. Stake. Okay. One. What does it go? Actually, I mean, I'm being stupid. I should just go to Lido and see how they are. So, launch it. Okay. This one. Okay. That's it. This is the still stable version of an area proposal page. So what does it have? It has status, current status, with date, current status, with date, date, title, snapshot, block, author, created by, which is the author, address, start date. Oh, support percentage. Support percentage and has the result plus the threshold. Then for this, total percentage, result threshold, needed. Then, wow, this is weird. Then the no voted. How many votes out of the total votes? And then the yes voted. Votes plus percentage of the total. Okay. So this is like the header. And then the again voting ended in date. And then the progress bar, no on the left, yes on the right. No plus percentage of total. Yes, plus percentage of total. I am assuming green. And red, then description. And then script. Which is, you know, first JSON raw. Yeah, why do I need to connect the wallet at this point? I don't. And then votes. And in here, votes with profile picture, framed, address, votes. Show. Oh, it's just that. Basic. Okay, so this is the Aragon one. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. It was rejected because it didn't have the approval support. Because 2.2 is less than 5. So this is weird, right? Because it's still all green, but it's not. It hasn't passed. I don't understand this. I don't think I understand this. Just interesting. Okay. Can something be passed and not enacted? Right? What's happening with this one? Why is this all over the place? Destroy 11k. Why though? Raw. No. Okay. Okay. I think this is enough for Aragon. And now for. Oh, well, I mean, let me just check the app Aragon work, the new view, right? Just see if there's something that's different. Included voters info. Breakdown voters info. Okay, I'm gonna do this one as well. I'm gonna say that this is the old by direction. Aragon OSX proposal page. So title, and then published by author. Trimmed get links to. I'm not sure if this is like the type of proposal or something. This is probably the description, so I mean these guys don't even give a fuck, right? They just write nothing. Proposal description. Come on, Aragon. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's see this one. Swiss Shield now. This shield is a good fun. Cheers. This shield. Maybe. Okay. And withdraw. And withdraw. Multi-sig approval. Withdraw assets from this to this. This tokens, this much. Breakdown. Filters. Info. Oh, this is really multi-sig thing. Okay. Let me see patient tree. This is the fun airstream campaign. Okay, this is a voting. Oh, so it's not clickable. So this is what this is. What this is. What this switches are. Oh my god, there's only one vote. Jesus Christ. We're playing DAOs, but not this area. Three. They're all same person. Okay. Sounds good. Let's do it. Oh. Close for close. Okay. Okay, bro. Ooh. Okay, I think this is a good. This one is a good example. There's a lot of actions as well. Okay. Title, published. Summary, I'll say. Full proposal. Um, I guess. Break down voters info. So voting. Okay. That's what happened. my god, the back doesn't work. Wow, I lost the page. What was that one? This one? Oh, come on, Aragorn. Here. Now, info is about oh, there's a lot of yeah, there's a lot of things here. Oops, action. And then the transaction next and okay, so I'm only missing the info panel here. So the info as rules of decision. Voting activity. Inspiration. This is kind of weird. Yeah. Where did I put it? Okay, so rules of decision, options, strategy, and page. Current participation. Don't this. is corn roots. You think? No, it's yeah. Okay. And then for each that was no, I guess like everybody that could vote, everybody voted, but yeah, doesn't attend. Um, which is not real because once okay, okay, I'm gonna take this picture. Case, yeah, yes. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm good with the Aragon. That's enough. Um, let's go to snapshot. Sorry. Okay. Woo. Okay, so now proposal status. Just go title. Now my author. I think. Here. Look at the report. Look at those reports. Okay. Okay. Then straight up description. Few more or less. And then discussion. And then votes. Which actually is one of these. And then there's this is actually more convoluted. This discussion, and then it has post logo, first topic, title, first topic, first. Right. So votes, whatever. We'll go to votes in a second. Now information and strategies. This is that the G is like this. IPFS. Well, actually, voting system. Start date. End date. Snapshot. Okay, so strategies. Wait, what did I just? Maybe token? IPFS. Path clay. Link. Single choice voting. Date and date. vote number, which is army scan. Okay. So I guess our plot number probably. Cool. And then the results. Vote option 1 with percentage. Okay. Okay. Votes. Total casted votes. One more data. I think. And then Okay. Okay. I think snapshot is done. I think it is done. Let me try to get one that's different. This people need to vote. People need to vote. Like, yeah, I can't. Okay. Okay, cool. This is all mapped. We have the tally page. We have the Aragon, both of the new pages. We have the snapshot page as well. So, yeah, this is all mapped. So what I'm gonna do next is to create the canonical master page with all this. Oh, actually, should also map this discourse post with all its versions, right? And yeah, try to figure out what people are saying about that. Um, right. There's two things. There's this proposal structure, right? And there's this constitutional. Let me see this. Yeah, this is the okay. Okay, we don't need this, and we don't need this. But each proposal should have these things, right? So this is going to be like the garbage from the proposal template format section. And it's going to be Abstract. Motivation. Rationale. Key terms. Specifications. Steps to implement. Timeline. Overall cost. Okay, all of this is the proposal structure. And there's also constitutional AIPs, non-constitutional AIPs. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it for today. Um, Thank you so much for watching, following along. If anybody had, I have an idea. I just wanted to document the process of mapping all this. I'm going to share the fake jam file on the forums alongside our proposal and the link for today's live stream. And see you maybe tonight for another session, or tomorrow for a session where I'm going to try to put this all together into a single view of a proposal that goes from start to finish of the proposal. So, yeah, that's it. There's been 2 hours, 52 minutes, almost 3 hours. Well, and it's live on the internet. See you the next time.